January 16th, 2026. A broad Arctic cold front and reinforcing trough are the primary drivers of today's operational weather impacts from the plains into the northeast with colder air, gusty winds, snow showers, and aviation constraints dominating much of the northern half of the nation. While fire weather and dry, gusty winds demand attention across parts of the southern plains and central U.S. In the northern/upper plains into the upper Midwest, a strong Arctic front pushing south and east is generating widespread snow showers, lake effect enhancement near the Great Lakes, and brisk northwest winds aloft and at the surface that will lead to reduced visibilities and snow squalls along and behind the front through hubs like Minneapolis, MSP, and Chicago, ORD. Turbulence and low ceilings in these corridors will be the norm, with embedded heavy snow streamers through peak daytime operations. Downstream, the Midwest to Ohio Valley will see continuation of cold advection, with a stream of shortwaves reinforcing the trough, supporting scattered snow showers and additional lower MVFR/IFR ceilings this morning into the afternoon across St. Louis, STL, Indianapolis, IND, and Detroit, DTW, with brief flight delays possible where bands persist. In the Northeast and I-95 corridor, cold air stays entrenched with a weak coastal wave, expected late tonight into Saturday, bringing light snow showers and mixed precipitation potential that could locally reduce visibilities and require de-icing actions at New York, JFK/LGA, Philadelphia, PHL, and Boston, BOS. Though widespread heavy snow is not anticipated. Across the southeast, the pattern remains dry and cool with high pressure dominating. Shallow stratus and fog potential is limited by the cold, drier air mass, so operations around Atlanta, ATL, and Charlotte, CLT, should generally see VFR, with attention to cold surface temps on ground operations. In the southern plains and central U.S., post-frontal northwest gusts 25 to 40 knots, combine with low humidity to produce critical fire weather conditions and red flag warnings from western Oklahoma into parts of western Kansas and the Texas Panhandle, affecting ground logistics and increasing the potential for smoke or dust lofting that could impact short-range visibility around Dallas/Fort Worth, DFW, and Oklahoma City, OKC. Light snow flurries or sprinkles may accompany the cold air intrusion in northern zones, but significant impacts are limited. The Rockies and Intermountain West remain dry with elevated heights and above-average temperatures, suppressing significant moisture and limiting ceilings, but strong northwest flow will yield turbulence and occasional mountain wave activity, affecting departures and arrivals near Denver, DEN, and Salt Lake City, SLC. Out west to the Pacific Coast, weak ridging and warm anomalies result in minimal precipitation and generally VFR conditions around Los Angeles, LAX, and San Francisco, SFO, though pockets of low stratus near the coast may produce localized IFR in the pre-dawn hours. Finally, over and offshore, brisk winds along the northern Atlantic seaboard and coastal waters behind the frontal boundary will translate to higher seas and potential turbulence on approaches to New York and Boston, while no tropical or convective threats are present today.